Well, I think we've always tried to be very fair in our reporting to reflect things from Wolves' point of view as well, because Wolves are obviously 17th in the Premier League. Cunha is, most people would say, their best player at the moment. It would be a huge blow if he was to leave the club. Wolves' position is very, very clear. He's still got 2.5 years left on his contract. The player is not for sale. He's not for sale. Wolves don't want to sell him. They're not going to sell him. And also, they're under no financial pressure whatsoever to sell him either, because they made, I think, something like £90 million in the summer from selling players like Neto to Chelsea, Kilman to West Ham United. So I think that's Wolves' position. The player is not for sale. But of course, a player not for sale doesn't mean that other clubs are not going to be interested in signing him. And we know that lots of other clubs are interested in signing him. And we know that for the time being, at the moment, he's not going to sign a new contract. So Wolves' position is clear. I think the player's position is clear as well. I think he would like to move to another club, maybe not this window, maybe in the summer. But of course, he knows that everything has to be right for all parties, including, of course, Wolves.
All right, let's see how